owners, which is 57,000 miles from you, and it had the cam belt replaced at 43,000 miles. As you can see, it's a metallic black, privacy glass, alloy wheels, has an upgraded reverse camera on this model, has the appearance pack, just serviced by us, new rear discs and pads, also had 2 new tyres, has good service history. It's a full service history and it's just been serviced, in fact. So along with the satellite navigation, DAB, digital radio, Bluetooth and a reverse camera. Nice spec car, obviously a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. As I say, 57,000 miles from you, 2 owners, 2 keys. Really nice and clean and tidy throughout. Not dirty or abused in any way. Really lovely clean example. Parcel shelves in there. Nice and clean in the boot. Space saver spare wheel. Lovely, clean, tidy example, 2-litre diesel, drives really well. 57,281 miles, currently averaging 46 miles to the gallon, which is excellent. So satellite navigation, real big bright reverse camera, works exceptionally well. Obviously got your phone, got mobile apps, and on the audio you've got DAB, digital radio. That's not what I wanted to do. Cancel. AM, FM, DAB, CD, and obviously you can play music through your Bluetooth. Sony sync system with Sony speakers.